Girls, how many times do I have to tell you to put the fan on when you're taking a shower?
What?
How many times do I have to tell you to put the fan on while you're taking a shower?
Dad, we forgot.
Oh, God, if only there was some way that that fan would automatically go on and off. Right, Ruby? Oh my God, not only do they not have the fan on, but they're warming up the shower. Ruby, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, Rube? Oh, if only there was a way that I didn't have to constantly be reminding them. All right, Ruby, let's see if this worked. Installed that brand new Eaton wiring device, humidity sensor. Look at that. Comes right on, the lowest setting, 45% humidity, kicks on without me having to do any more yelling. Thank you, Eaton wiring devices.